Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPad Air. This is the 13-inch version. I actually already have the 11-inch version, but I kind of wanted to look at upsizing a little bit because I usually use my iPad for media consumption, like watching, TV shows on apps or YouTube, that kind of stuff. And with iOS 26 in the new window mode, and where you can, resize the windows and everything, I wanted to try all that out on a larger screen. Best Buy had these on sale, so I went ahead and listed my 11-inch for sale and upgraded to the 13-inch. So that's what we have here. I'm going to go ahead and get unboxing this, and that's what we're going to take a look at today. I did order a screen protector from from Amazon, but it is not here yet. It should be here later this afternoon, and I haven't gotten any cases or anything like that. I usually don't carry my iPad around too much. It's more of a around the house type of device, so I'm probably just going to leave it caseless with some Apple Care on it. And that's what I've been doing with my 11-inch, and that's usually what I've done in the past. And I haven't had any issues. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this and see. I mean, I kind of already know what I'm getting here because, like I said, I have the 11-inch already, and everything's the same except this one has a bigger screen. This is the M3 processor, 128 gigabytes of storage. And there we go. I am kind of glad that they made the Air in a 13-inch size because I don't really need all the features of the Pro. I've had a couple Pros over the years, and it's just not really one I need. I mean, I don't need the the fancy screen or anything like that. We do have the cable and the charger in there, which I am going to leave in there because I just use my Anchor charging hubs and all that kind of stuff. So I'll save that for when this one eventually gets sold, when something new comes out. So I'm just going to put the box back as is and put it off to the side here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here. Excuse my desk, I need to clean it up a little bit. There's some spots on it that I need to wipe off, but here is the iPad itself. Same color, space gray, as my other one. And I do also have the Apple Pencil, the USB-C one. I need to find it. It fell off it was on my bed, I think, and it fell off somewhere. I think it's under my bed. But we already got a fingerprint on it there from when I just grabbed it to take that off. I'm not going to go ahead and turn it on yet. I need to back up my other one, and I'm going to have to update to iOS 26 on this one so I can restore from my backup. And I just want to use iOS 26. That was kind of the main reason for getting the larger size, with the windows and stuff like that. But this is the iPad Air 13-inch. I just thought I'd make a quick video on it just because I just picked it up and everything. So I'm going to get it set up and everything. I do have a video on the iPad Air 11-inch. If anybody's interested in that, it's on the channel. But again, pretty much the same iPad, just a larger screen. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.